When it comes to grinding and finishing metalwork, swapping out different abrasive discs can add up on the downtime. So let's get the job done faster with this week's feature product, the twin flap discs from Platinum North America. For those who don't know, a flap disc is a diverse grinding wheel with small squares of sandpaper mounted to it. Normally, if you needed to change discs for a different grit or if it's worn out, you'd have to find your wrench, unlock the arbor, and remove the flap disc, all of which tanks productivity. Platinum saw this delay in efficiency and decided to do something about it. The twin flap discs are essentially two flap discs back to back and can have either the same grit on both sides or any combination of 40, 60, 80, or 120 grit. So you can grind away some welds with the 40 grit and in a matter of seconds, flip it over to smooth the surface with 120 grit. There's also no tools required to change them, as they're actually a spin-on disc which will easily screw on and off of the grinder spindle. They're covered in a premium 100% zirconia abrasive grain, which delivers increased stock removal, cooler performance, and an extended life. They come in two different diameters, a 4.5 inch and a 5 inch, with both having each combination of grits available. But if you need something for more aggressive grinding, the twin flap discs also come in ceramic, as well as a non-woven abrasive that can be used on softer materials. So let's grind, blend, and finish this feature product with the help from Platinum North America's twin flap discs. The twin flap disc is quite the unique tool. What other unique tools and gadgets do you use? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to follow the channel for more feature products. Thanks for stopping by.